Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today we will talk about CapCut application again, and I will to show to you the way how you can edit the picture. A simple edit the picture only with your CapCut application on mobile phone. Open your CapCut and you must be thinking that CapCut is only for video, but you are totally wrong because the CapCut also able to work with photo. Now you just need to take a look on this top side. There will be like a photo editor there. Just tap it and then you just need to find which photo that you want to edit right here. I would like to edit this limb sheets photo, then just need to go click edit. Now you will be facing a lot of options or features down part here, and then you can use every features that provided by the CapCut here for free. Now you just need to find what you really need. Let's say you want to do a simple color grade. You just need to tap into this adjust, and there'll be like a lot of adjustment that you can access according to shine. You can add more light or shine on this picture, and if you want to add more brightness, you can available to do that, or reducing it, it's also totally possible. For now, if you want to have more contrast, you can also get the contrast picture with this contrast section. And if you want to have a warm saturation, you can also jump into the warm, and then you will got this type of warm picture. Adjusting it just depends on what you really need into this picture. Now after you found everything's just correct, you just need to tap into this checklist button, so you can also know the before and after of this by tap it. The next thing you need to do, if you want to satisfy yourself easier with a good adjustment of everything, you just need to tap into the filters, because there will be like a lot of filters that you can find or applied into your picture, such as this La La Land that probably have the easiest, or they will be also Paris Midnight in Paris. You'll see this is before and after. It could be really different and the result is much more better. Now if you want to save it, just go tap export, and now you are done. So that is so simple and easy. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.